Are you having problems that your Roblox is crashing on PS5 and you want to be able to fix this? Well then, this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So the first thing we need to do is to go into settings, and then on settings click on users and accounts here. Then you're just going to scroll down and click on other, and then click on restore licenses. Click on Roblox and then click on restore, and then click on yes here, of course. And this will take you a couple of seconds only, just so you know. And now when it says licenses restored, then we can now go back to this page once again. So now what you need to do on this page is to scroll down and check your storage as well. So if your storage is like really like close to being full, or maybe even full, that can also be the reason. So you need to clean some of this up right here. And if storage is not an issue and it still is not working for you even after you have done these two things right here, then there's only one more thing we can try, and that is to go into system here and then click on system software, then click on system software update and settings, and make sure that this one is up to date here. So click on this one and update using internet. So when you have updated, then what you have to do is to click on the PlayStation logo on your controller, then scroll to the right here and click on power, and then restart PS5 and try once again. Hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.